Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Teams with meeting ID and passcode. Let's begin. So as you can see here, if I scroll down, there's going to be the link for the Microsoft Teams meeting, and then there's going to be the meeting ID and then the passcode. These are very important. So I'm going to close it. So once you've opened up Microsoft Teams, you're going to go to the left side and then make sure that you selected calendar. After selecting calendar, go to the top here on the right side, and we're going to have three options: new meeting, meet now, and then join with an ID. So what we're going to do is we're going to select join with an ID, and then you are going to look for that ID of the meeting. So if I go to Word, here I paste it in. So I'm simply going to highlight it, right click, then select copy, then paste it here, right click, then select paste. Then the meeting passcode. I go back, here is the passcode, simply highlight, right click, and then select copy. Then go back, right click, then select paste. Then once you're done, you're simply going to select join meeting. And as you can see here, it has opened up my interview or the meeting that I created. Then you can make some adjustments here, and then once you're done, simply select join now. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.